Mini. That's printing.
Thank you for coming to the Makers Block Technology section. Here you will find 3D printers, 3D scanners and 3D pens, all coming in all shapes, size, price and make. Okay, what we are printing here will amaze you. We can print prosthetic hands. Okay, hence if you have actually went down to the home fix area, accidentally saw off something of your body part, we can reprint it for you at the booth there. Okay? The only thing it doesn't come with is blood vessels and blood itself. So if you want that, you please head on down to the nearest blood bank to add in for your own stuff. Alright? And for all those of you who are interested to know more about 3D scanning, we have 3D scanning demonstration happening every hourly or occasionally when there is a need to. Okay, also, if you're wondering what plastics we are using plastics made out of your common day sugar, your potato chips, and starch that are made from your mashed potatoes. Okay, so just if you are interested or